Learning independence is relevant because it helps your students realize that learning is not just about the teacher and the teacher making things easier for learners to learn, but it's actually about being responsible and accountable for your own learning process. So that means that you, as a learner, will have to take action. You will have to learn how to learn best. And that comes from metacognition. So learner independence is the key for learning better and more effectively. Metacognition is something that was coined a long time ago by John Flavel, and it basically means learning how to learn or thinking about your own cognitive processes. If you think about it, it helps you develop a more independent style of learning because you will be able to assess the things that work for you, the type of learner that you are, and the experiences that can help you achieve the learning goal so that you can take action and make sure that you yourself, as an independent learner, are doing what you're supposed to do. So metacognition can show you the way.